with the latest iPad operating system, iPad OS update version 17.5.1, we can now use the iPad speaker when we connect our iPad to an external monitor. The first way is to tap on the top right. You slide down to get the control center and tap the screen icon. Sometimes in the airdrop icon, you just tap there and tap again here, and now there is an option to choose iPad. Previously we don't have this, so now we have this option. So my iPad now is connected to a monitor, so now it can play the sound on the iPad itself. You see, it's playing on my iPad. Another way is to use this. If you're playing, you're already in the YouTube. Say in the YouTube, if you can find this cast mirror icon, then tap that icon, and then tap this AirPlay and Bluetooth devices. Then you will be shown with this similar options. Then you can choose the iPad. Okay. Then now, okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.